Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Gramification. As you all know that in previous videos we were discussing about question tag. Today we are in the same topic and we will start from formula number 7. Formula number 7 says if the statement is positive request or command, then the question tag may be positive question tag or it may be negative question tag. We have to see the statement whether it is a positive request or command. Most of the cases it takes will you or won't you. Let's see one example. Please bring me a glass of water. You are requesting. Please, what is there? Requesting. So question tag will become will you, or we can write won't you for this also. Will you, won't you, both are correct. Next one, command, stand up. So if we are going to use question tag for it, comma, will you or won't you. Let us discuss a very important formula, and it is an exception of rule number 7. In rule number 7 or formula number 7 we discussed if the statement is positive request or command, then it may be negative question tag or positive. But here the exception says that if the statement is showing urgency or necessity, then question tag will be negative question tag. For example, don't forget to apply before 7. Means this is very urgent, you have to apply. So in that case it will become won't you, comma, won't you. Always respect your elders. It is also a must. Necessity it is. So in that case, comma, won't you. And this is a very important one because it says about the exception as well as it shows urgency or necessity. Let us see formula number 8. If the statement is negative request or command, then our question tag will be positive question tag. Negative request, we have to remember negative request or command. Like don't shout, comma, will you. Please don't open the parts. It will become comma, will you. Formula number 9. If the statement is imperative sentence, if the statement is an imperative sentence showing scolding or warning, we have to remember it must have scolding or warning, then question tag will take can't you. For example, get up in the early morning, comma, can't you. Shut up, can't you. Let's come to formula number 10. If the statement is having let's, then question tag will be shall we. If the statement is let Ram or let Sita, then question tag will take will you. Let's see few examples. Let's go. So let's go, comma, shall we. Let's start the work. So it will also take shall we. Let's start the work, comma, shall we. Let them go. It will become let them go, comma, will you, because let followed by this Ram or Sita, then it will take will. Let Ram come home, then it will become let Ram come home, comma, will you. In our next video we are going to start with using question tag based on the subject. Till then, have a very nice day. Thank you.